my God, that's so pretty. I can't believe that people, we can just drive on these roads.
Spectacular. And it's neat how everything changes.
Just crazy.
Just like you just kind of go around a little corner, up a hill or down a hill, and it's like things are completely different.
It's like, what the heck?
I know, different rocks, different...
Came out of Capitol Reef and then bam, it changed. And then bam, it changes again. Like, this is insane. A little bit of lunch at Butch Cassidy's joint when he was a kid. Check that out. That's something else. So let's go see what Meg's doing. Hi.
Hi.
What's on the menu there? Huh?
Well, I'm making coffee.
Kofifi?
Making a mess.
Yeah. Hi, guys.
And then I'm going to make us some sandwiches.
And some sandwiches.
Yeah, I have some chicken lunch meat and cheddar cheese. Just simple.
So how do you feel about having lunch with Butch Cassidy?
Oh, I love it.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
This was not a bad place to grow up.
No.
No. Not at all.
Not at all.
Excellent. And some coffee for the road.
Yeah.
Yes. Hi, lady.
Lily.
Hi, guys. Look at that. A $2,000 reward. I think I know why you got in trouble.
Why?
There's no cell service here.
Oh.
So he ended up getting in all kinds of mischief. Look at that stuff. That's cool.
Oh, you didn't know where?
I know, it's made like they've had
That's
to,
like concrate
they've had to
block
fix
stucco.
some stuff. Man. Yeah, instead
Well,
of
yeah,
sticks and
I mean,
brick,
the window.
it's concrete block stucco. That's what we say in Florida, right?
Yeah, what is he doing?
He's got a P right there. Man, they had really nice picnic tables back then. It's pretty. I know. All right, let's check out. I think that's the outhouse.
In here.
What is it? Oh,
Like a barn?
I don't know. Yeah, what are they doing, man? That's disgusting.
Your truck must smell like poop.
I'm gonna kill you. Which one's gonna be the Lord of the Flies? See him on the hood? Oh my gosh.
Flies. Who knew? Okay, so there's still... Oh, wow. Oh, there goes one. There.
Oh my God.
Flies are relentless.
Oh my gosh, they're flying off. I got my money on some of the hood ones. Look, there they go. There they go. The one on the... Look at the one on... Oh, that's not one on the antenna, is it?
Oh, I'm like focusing in on this thing right here, thinking it's a fly, and it's like a sticker.
There's one on the antenna.
There is.
Look, and then there's these. There's like 5 up on the hood.
Crazy.
They are tough. Oh, the one off the antenna's gone.
It's gone. So there's just one. He must be the Lord of the Flies.
No,
right
there's
there.
5 down there. on the
Holy
hood.
moly! Oh my Lanta!
I wonder if they've come all the way from Grant Junction. Huh?
They came with us. We brought them all the way from Grand. Oh, one just flew off.
Okay, there's 4. There's 4 left.
My hand is hurting. I can't keep
You
this
gotta
up.
keep it up. If they can do it, you can do it. You can do it.
How are they doing this? I can barely hold
There's
them.
3. Oh, there's 2.
Oh, one there.
There's who's gonna be the Lord of the Flies.
Where?
See, there's one on that end and one. Oh, there's one. He's the Lord of the Flies.
There you go, buddy. There you go, buddy.
Road trip fun, baby.
Oh.
He's our new hood ornament.
Oh. He's still hanging on.
Tough guy. Oh, there was another one that went away. Oh my God, tough guy McFly.
McFly. All right, you win. I'm done. I'm out.
He's the winner.
Woo.
Doing the boondocking in Utah. Can you frickin' believe this, man? You just don't get this pretty every day when you're dry camping. Do you, Meg? Don't see that every day. It's a frickin' tarantula. It's pretty big. Jeez.
Vegas, baby.
Mm-hmm.
And we will be in Las Vegas in like an hour. So, yay. First time for me.
2 hours.
2 hours.
2 hours.
Anyways, this beautiful drive coming from Grand Junction to Las Vegas and staying at Coral Reef. Capitol Reef. You would think Coral Reef, right?
I don't know.
I don't know. It's beautiful. Definitely go to.
Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at that roundabout.
Ooh.
It's horrible.
No, thank you. Roundabouts are not fun in the RV.
No.
So, all right.